If you have a kid or teach a kid, you're going to want to watch this math video until the end. Number sense is struggling these days with kids because too many teachers focus on procedures and getting to an answer in a particular way versus allowing kids to think more deeply about numbers. So let's talk quickly about factors and multiples. Factor 12 into its prime factorization. It's the same whether you start with 4 times 3 or 6 times 2. Kids need to see why this makes sense and that each one leads to the same prime factorization, 2 times 2 times 3. Do the same thing with 20. Again, it's the same prime factorization regardless of which way you start with either of the two factors. Let's find the greatest common factor. So we know that these are all the prime factors of 20 and 12. I can see that they each have 2 2's in common. So the greatest common factor is those 2 2's, or 4. So the least common multiple of 60 comes from using the greatest common factor of 4 and then incorporating all the leftover factors of both 20 and 12. And 4 times 5 is 20, times 3 is 60. So the least common multiple is 60. If you skip counted, you'd get that. So building this number sense is super important for children. Starting at 7, 8 years old, kids need this all the way through. Have a great day.